Today let's learn how to change Snapchat notification sound. If you don't like the current notification sound of Snapchat, then in this video I'm going to show you the exact method that you can change the sound. Now you cannot do this within the app of Snapchat. It only allows you to enable or disable the notification. To change the notification sound, you'll need to head over to the settings of your device. Open up settings and then head over to the notification settings. If you don't know where it is, you can also search it on the search bar. Search for notifications and you'll get the exact option. Head over to app notifications and it's going to give you all of the applications that are on your phone. And make sure that you search for Snapchat and open up the Snapchat app. Once you're inside of the Snapchat notification setting, you can scroll down and under messaging, you'd be able to see an option called snaps and chats. You can toggle on it and it's going to show you the sounds option. By default, it's going to be generic push, which is the default sound. So you can easily tap on it, and depending upon your device, in my case, I'm using a Redmi phone and it has a separate application from where you can download different kinds of music, sounds and wallpapers. So if you're also using a Redmi phone, from here you can choose the ringtones that are built inside or that are given inside. If you're using any other device and you do not have such application, you can also download or use the sound that is on your device. Just select the sound and the sound will be added, and instead of generic push, it's going to show you the current sound that you selected. You can also do the same for other notifications such as best friend messages. If you have best friends on Snapchat, you can change the sound notification for them as well. So that's how easily you can change Snapchat notification sound. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials that we post. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video.